It's March 5th, and it's our first full day here at the lodge. And this morning, we finished up breakfast, and now we're headed out on the Beechcraft trail.
This is the old plane, the Beechcraft from Suriname Airways. We had to make an emergency landing. That's engine problem. And that was 23 of June 1965.
Oh. And everybody survived?
Only the pilot was flying it. It was a fuel flight. Okay. No accident. No one died of this emergency landing.
Much better. That was good. Sneaky, sneaky. Yeah,
that's good.
We hebben de draagmeren, we hebben deze en we hebben de soldaten. Allemaal gemene vissen.
And I was just thinking I've washed off my feet.
Yeah, now you're getting muddy.
Suriname is just now coming into the short dry season, but this last week has been really, really rainy, and that has made a lot of the trails inaccessible. And this one, even though we're able to get through it, is very muddy, and that puts quite a few obstacles in your way.
Can I help you? Or?
Yes. Thank you. Very crazy. Can I help you? No?
I'm good.
Wow.
Almost got you before it got you.
It's got a
We were very fortunate. Our guide knows quite a lot about the jungle. His grandfather was actually a shaman. So he's telling us a lot about the plants, their medicinal values, and which ones are edible. So it's kind of cool to have an expert with us.
You taste tamarind?
Oh,
Just like
Oh, nice.
nice.
but they're gonna open it. Very
Hard.
We're headed back to the lodge. We're going to have a nice lunch, and then this afternoon we're headed on another boat ride to take us to Mui Mui Waterfall.